Hi, I'm Danny, and I'm a coda living in Japan. And I recently listened to the radio, NPR, the National Public Radio. Listened to an interesting article. First, I'll do the ASL and then the JSL. So, when you're on a subway or a train or bus and somebody next to you sneezes, one of the commentators asked if using a sleeve of his shirt would help prevent getting whatever that person was spreading. And so he asked a specialist, does using the sleeve of his shirt help prevent getting sick? And the specialist said, well, it depends on the kind of material. For instance, the masks in the hospitals have a special filter which traps bacteria and viruses, so they cannot go through the material. And the other important thing to know is that if a person sneezes without covering their mouth or coughs, it can spread to 30 to 40 feet. So it doesn't matter how far away you sit. You can sit on one end of the other car and the other person can sneeze and it'll still reach you. So it's all meaningless. You can't stop it. So the next time you think covering your nose or mouth with the arm of your sleeve, that won't work. You're better off escaping to another subway car.